Oh my god. Hello YouTube, welcome back. We're finally back after 3 weeks. I'm sorry. I had a big pop-up shop going on for 1 week. Amazing, went splendid. Thank you everybody who showed up and supported. And if you can't, we're gonna have more later for sure. Probably, maybe, unless we just open up a shop. I don't know. Definitely scheming though, but anyway, let's get right into this crazy ass video I got for you guys today. It's about 14 items. I just want to unbox them in like under 8 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm trying to be as quick and precise as possible. Let's go. Okay, starting it off with package number uno. Coming in from a man off Depop. Shout out to be up there. As usual, we got this amazing Sherpa fleece style champion hoodie with a big logo. It is zip up as well. It has tapered champion on the bottom and on the cuffs. This was worn by Chance the Rapper to like the Grammys or one of the big award shows, which made it super hyped up. It is great quality and super comfy. Thank you so much for that. Up next, we got two Guess shorts. Got these both off Depop. Had to cop. Love the striped shorts. One of my favorite things at the moment. Boom. Nice light blue and white. This is a size 38. Bigger pair. Not bad at all. Great condition. Thank you very much. And up next, another pair. Here we go. Boom. Yup. We doubled up. Two of the same colorways. This time, this size is a 33, I believe. So it will just fit me. They're a little bit longer as well, so perfect to roll up. Amazing colorway. Had to scoop for summer. Thank you very much. Coming in from Jolin Santos. Don't remember exactly what it is. Let's open it up and find out. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, with a nice little message. Thank you so much. Being the first sale. Hope you like the shirt. Hey, anytime, man. I appreciate it. It is an amazing shirt already. I don't even have to look at it, but here it is. It is a YSL with the rainbow embroidery on the pocket, as well as an embroidery spell out on the back hood. That is amazing. It does have the colorful little pattern going on the collar and the cuffs. It is amazing. Super fire. All red. A little bit of fade. Not bad. Appreciate that. Keeping it going. We got a vintage apple. A little some, and then in the next package we got a crazy vintage apple piece. But first off, with the boom, there it is. Apple big spell out on the cutoff. That is the back spell out. This is the front with the tag. It is an old Anvil tag, made in USA, size large. That is so awesome. Thank you very much for that. Depop for sure. Another one off of Depop. Gonna have to go get my scissors. We'll be right back. But yeah, anyway, I've been waiting on a couple of these packages for quite some time, probably like a month or two for some of them. But I felt like it's time to just open most of them up. I do have some Tommy Hilfiger and some the North Face ones I'm saving for a video. But we're opening all the ones that I have at the moment. Gotta get them out, get all the stock out. Whew, here we go. This is coming in from the UK off Depop. We got two items in here. First off, amazing purple. Oh, you didn't see that. You don't see nothing. Purple Napa Napibijeri. Not sure how to say it. Amazing Sherpa pullover fleece hoodie. That is so sick. It is a size large. Fits a little bit oversized, I'd say. But that might be going right to the personal. Thank you. And up next, this Grail vintage 90s. Not sure what type of case. Laptop case, I'm guessing. But Apple Mac computers, excuse me. Full rainbowed out logo there. Yeah, this must be 90s. That is awesome. Thank you very much for this. So fire. Coming in from Chit Chats, I believe it might be from Instagram, a Toronto seller. Yes, it is. I believe it's something in the 6. Shout out up there for sure, but here it is. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, there we go. It's a Burberry Brit. Full, huge Novacek all throughout. Front and back. Classic button-up shirt. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Up next, this is from Depop, girl from the USA. Alright, there we go. It is Burberry as well. You see the logo? Yup. Bam. An amazing, new-aged Burberry, huge embroidery. Great condition. It is a girl's large. Fits like a men's small, I believe, maybe medium. Anyway, so sick. Thank you very much. Another fire designer piece. So much designer this episode. We got a bootleg Louis Vuitton tee with the print there. Nice little logo on the back. All black. Great detail, but sadly they do have some misspelled words they can't really see on the black print. But overall condition amazing. Thank you so much GTA Thrifts for that. This one's coming in from Ashley Burns from Vancouver. Crazy heater. Oh, let's get it out. See the patch right there? It is a puffer, so it's gonna be super wrinkly. Here we go. Ooh. But there it is, Montclair, full patched out hoodie, or hooded vest, sorry. The huge M on the back. This is amazing. Coming in from Eye Candy, my boy down in the USA. Hooked me up with this dope Polo Bear sweater, knit sweater. It is the Tuxedo Martini Bear. Super fired. Alright, onto some sick vintage Nike pieces. First coming in from Lemon Fresh on Depop. We got this sick vintage early 90s, I believe, Nike Oregon spell out hoodie. That is so fire. It does have a little bit of a nice fade going on, not too much cracking, which I was super surprised by. Usually I've only seen a couple other these style hoodies with the Oregon print, and usually they are super cracked. Tags look brand new, made in Canada. That's awesome. On to the next crazy heater. Got this off a trade from a man on Instagram. We got this nuts vintage early 90s, yeah, early 90s for sure. Nike New York Jets. Full friggin' spell out, striped patches, everything you got going in hard on this sweater. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. Double spell outs or patches on both sleeves. This is a grail. Might have to keep this one. Not sure yet. We'll see. Thank you very much for that. And then on to two last ones. This one I already opened because my mom wanted to see them, but we got some dope. Got these for $40 off eBay. Vintage Fendi with the case. Glasses. Which ones though? We got the Clout Cobain ones. Yeah. Yup. Fendi on the side. These are a black opal or pearl. A little bit of bending sadly, but not too noticeable. Yeah. I also have a sick Kurt Cobain shirt I just got that will go sick with these. He wore the white pair, if you didn't know. And last but not least, My personal new favorite. I just got this probably a week ago, maybe. Saw it, instantly had the guy, messaged the guy on Depop, went over to Instagram, worked out a deal. Super appreciated for this. It is a Kuji. And it's the Kuji of all Kujis. Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Doesn't have a tag, but here we go. Ooh. Amazing Gucci animal print sweater. It has zebras, giraffes, fish, butterflies, birds. This thing is nuts. I'm not taking that off. Look at that purple giraffe. Oh man. A little bit of loose threads here and there, but amazing piece. Couple of these going on eBay for ridiculous amounts. So glad to get this one for a nice price. Thank you so much. And yeah, that'll conclude this video. Hopefully it wasn't too fast. I want to keep it nice and short for you guys. I appreciate all the support through the pop-up and everything else. Probably get a giveaway going soon. Yeah, this has been mail unboxing number 13. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time. Peace.